Hi everyone, welcome to Book Cooking, a cooking show that takes on the fun world of cookbooks. Today we are working from the Unofficial Harry Potter Cookbook, and this morning we are making Cauldron Cakes, which is a Hogwarts Express special. So grab your syrup and let's get started. You're going to need 1 cup of flour, 1/3 cups of sugar, 1 1/4 cups of milk, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, and a half a stick of butter. Before we start mixing our dry ingredients, make sure that you have your eggs set out so it can warm up to room temperature. This will ensure your cauldron cakes are nice and fluffy and the butter blends evenly. In a bowl, whisk together salt, baking soda, baking powder, and flour. Mixing together the dry ingredients will ensure that the baking soda and baking powder are evenly mixed in. In a separate bowl, blend together your sugar and eggs until light and fluffy. Drizzle in butter and whisk. Once well whisked, add your milk. Make sure to warm your milk by leaving it out at room temperature or microwaving for 30 seconds. Warming the milk can help prevent lumps in your mix. Combine your wet mix into your dry mix. I do this in 2 parts to make sure I don't make a mess. Spray cooking spray onto a pan and heat to a medium heat. Pour 1/2 cup of batter into the pan and cook for about a minute. You're looking for the surface to be bubbling and the bottom to be a golden brown, which you can check with a fork. Once the bottom is golden brown, flip and cook for another minute. Look for the golden brown color again and then remove from pan. Then just repeat with the remaining batter. We made some pancakes. They look very fluffy and light and golden, and I cannot wait to get in there. I'm so excited. Time to dig in. Those are really good. It's very fluffy. I like how fluffy this recipe is. It's got a very nice sweet flavor to it. It's nothing too crazy. These are great, just basic cauldron cakes or pancakes, whichever one you want to call them. But I would say that these were much better than just your basic pre-mixed box or anything like that. Definitely worth trying. I would say that the hardest part was just to really flip them, and that's everybody's struggle. So, all right guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching Book Cooking. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Bye.